Do you want to check copyright on Facebook Reels? You can enable copyright check on video with just a few simple steps. Before we begin, please like this video and subscribe to our channel. I've also included some helpful tools and apps in the description, so be sure to check them out. To check copyright on Facebook Reels, first, open the Facebook app on your mobile device. Once you're on Facebook, tap the Create button and select the Reels option to start creating a new reel. Now select the video you want to upload from your device's gallery. After selecting the video, you are on the Reels editing screen. Now, you can add text, music, and effects to your video. Once the video is ready, tap the Next button. A new screen will appear. Scroll down to the bottom of the screen and tap on the Copyright Check option. Again, a new screen will open, and from here, enable the toggle switch button next to check for copyright issue. Once enabled, tap the Done button at the top of the screen. You can add a title and description for your Reels video and tap on the Share Now button at the bottom of the screen. Now, Facebook will automatically check whether your video has any copyright issues.